that. The firepower is just too good. And the first 2 points, again, coming courtesy of Troy Rosario for Ginebra, and a lot of layups for them.
This is one of the highest scoring conferences ni Monzon, and it's coming from his defense, pero walang nakapigil kay Aguilar.
While you try this luck in the States, remember?
Chase that NBA dream,
Yeah.
na pangarap naman kasi ng lahat ng bansa natin yun. Here's Ginebra.
Tough guy also, tough defender.
Oh yeah.
And good rebounder actually. Uh-oh, open.
Thompson from his favorite spot. It's the three, may foul pa.
It's a terrible foul. You're already late. And you try to come in and help.
The great extra pass. Scotty. Here's Ginebra on the counter. Brownlee was open. And the closeout was too late. Count the three for JB.
You know, we got a lot of good people there that I work with. 3 good players that deserve to get that honor in Ramon, Atoy, and Alan Kaitik. And they're very outspoken players, which I was open.
Kaya pala to, pag nakikita ka ng mga players, parang lalong ganadong magpakitang gilas na, okay, tama mo naman ako dyan.
No, not really. Nobody has really made any campaigns, although I know all of them, especially those of the past. And some of them are not here. That's why we have to
Right, and so far so good, di ba? Dahil lamang pa sila ng dalawa here in the second quarter. Malonzo ties it up.
Really very athletic player. I mean, for him to get off the shot and make it.
Palitan ng turnover, itong dalawang teams. Oh, good pass! Amariento scores through the foul.
That's going to be an N1. Well, here, he was fouled. Is a foul? No, he got the ball. He see it from the right hand. Masa ng defense na pinahihirapan ako.
BC? Oh, wow, what a finish over Jack.
Jack read what he was going to do, and he was there all the way. Give it to Amisi for the layup.
Unfortunately, natapon niya dun sa kalaban. Chop it, flying high.
Yan ang problema as they call this timeout. They'll force turnovers when they go in. Guys like that, they may not be known big-time scorers, but they can defend. And they can make three-point shot.
And Bulanadi and Holt, and Amisi coming into the picture.
Yeah. So double foul may be called, or double technical may be called. Bulanadi feels that there was a swing. So they'll review.
Double foul.
Double foul na tinawag.
Natandaan natin, may in-introduce po BBA na rule coming into this new conference kung saan meron tayong review of...
So there was Monzon wide open. The same thing that Monzon didn't give him the ball this time. He didn't give him the ball, but I don't think he saw
1, 2,
it.
and 3.
Correct.
But, yung ball movement nila daw, tsaka assists, still there.
And they got the offensive rebound, so they